Alright, let's try to do the cover forward before the train is done because I'm driving. So it's gonna be kind of chaotic. Don't judge me.
Oh, this is a green train.
Oh man, it's not the real train, so it's probably not gonna work. That's what I made on the right side. I did nurse my baby too, so. One more. And that's what I made off. And the train is done. I gotta hurry. Alright, they're releasing them. Thank you for coming to my chaotic pumping board. I'll see y'all again in a minute.